everybody, AJ here. Wanted to do a quick video discussing the tools that we use when putting our D-loops on our bows and how they could be having an adverse effect on the life of those D-loops. Up until recently, this isn't something that I've really given a whole lot of thought or consideration to. I've pretty much always just used a normal set of needle nose pliers like this. Whenever I'm doing my D-loop, right, I would tie my first knot, pull it tight, tie my second knot, stick the nose in there, and then just spread it to cinch everything down nice and tight. What I didn't realize I was doing is the little teeth on these pliers can actually cause micro abrasions and break down the fibers in the D-loop material. And even if you have a set of pliers that don't have teeth, just the act of grabbing that material and really cranking down on it can actually break down those fibers, right? D-loop material is designed to be pulled. It's not designed to be squished or cut. A few months ago, Todd from the Coda Crew gave me these when I was working on his VXR 28, which I will be doing a review of in the next couple weeks. I know I've been getting questions about that all the time. But these are the Easton Elite Multi-Pliers. I thought they were really cool. I've been using them since I got them. Super convenient to use. And I didn't realize how feature-rich this was or how ingenious this little tool was until I went to the ATA show back in January. While I was there, Clint from Easton actually gave me a run-through of this and explained some of the design features. So first and foremost, on the end of here, there's actually a little space right here, and it's rounded. That space, what Easton did is they designed it so it's wide enough so that you can still get a purchase of your BCY number 24 D-loop material, right, and grab onto it without grabbing onto it so tightly that you're actually breaking down the fibers themselves. From there, right, you actually wrap it around this notch and it'll allow you to pull it tight without damaging the D-loop. And that can definitely contribute to extending the life of your D-loop. Now, you should still always make it a practice to check your D-loop before and after any shooting session. Take it from me, I have punched myself in the mouth several times. And then, of course, you have this right here, which is just very handy for actually cinching your D-loop nice and tight. So that's it for me today. I thought those were pretty ingenious little design that I wanted to share. I've got links below if you guys want to pick those up. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to be getting back to some gear reviews in the next couple weeks, starting with stabilizers, Matthews VXRs, and a whole lot of other things coming down the pipeline. So thanks everybody. Send them straight.